you hear me? See what's under here, man. You're tuned in to Donk Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team, you hear me?
If you in a 7-1, boy, make that bitch run. If you in a 7-2, make it do what it do. If you in a 7-3, see it slide like a G. If you...
What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on, fam? What's going on? You hear me? Another day above ground equals a beautiful day, like I always say, you hear me? So if it's a beautiful day, why not get out and chase your dreams? Why not get out and chase your goals? Why not get out and work on yourself, you hear me? I mean, you was given another day, might as well take advantage of that day, you hear me? And make it do what it do, you know what I'm saying, to get further in life. But what's good though, folks, man? Appreciate y'all that's tuned in right now. If you're new to the channel, watch the full video. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all, so you can get the notifications when we post the new videos up. You understand me? Today, man, y'all already know, man, where we at. We home base down south with it, you hear me? Hey, fam, I know some of y'all saw the video yesterday, man. With that blue, the previous video with the blue 71 blockbuster. Hey fam, that horsepower is no joke, you understand me? That horsepower is no joke. But before we get into that, also, if you guys new to the channel, we are doing a Donk giveaway, you understand me? And we are doing a Donk giveaway when we hit 200,000 subscribers. If you want to see the giveaway cards, a few videos back, you can check it out. It's a 1973 two-door hardtop, very solid car, great starter car for Donk. You know what I'm saying? Real solid quarter, solid trunk, solid floors, all that, you hear me? And we doing a Donk giveaway. The way you enter the Donk giveaway, you subscribe to Donk Planet YouTube channel, you participate on the channel by watching videos, commenting on videos. Also, you gotta spread the word in order to get us to 200,000 subscribers, you understand me? But when we hit 200,000 subscribers, somebody will be winning a Donk 1973 two-door hardtop. So yeah, so that's how you enter. Also, if you're looking to purchase that merch, there's a link in the description of this video that'll take you to donkplanet.com, where you'll be able to check out the merch that we have available. We got shirts, hats, beanies, hoodies, all that, you understand me? Check it out, you might find something you like. But yeah, fam, as far as the horsepower goes, man, shout out to the homie Keith with the blockbuster 71. Very beautiful car, very powerful car. The reason I'm speaking on the horsepower, because I see people, you know, they say, oh, you were scared, da-da-da-da, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Damn, one thing y'all gotta realize, it was funny though, I ain't gonna lie, it was funny. My reaction was funny, you know, it was funny. But one thing y'all gotta realize though, man, when you got a lot of horsepower, it's a difference when you in that driver's seat compared to if you in that passenger seat. You understand what I'm saying? It's a difference. It's a major difference. Like when you in that driver's seat and you got all that horsepower and you controlling it, you feel me? You the one that controlling that horsepower. Now I'm saying you feel me? You feel like you feel me like a lion. When you in that passenger seat, boy, that horsepower is a different monster, man. It's a different animal. You understand me? So I just wanted to establish that real quick. But yeah, man, we at the shop. I just wanted to show y'all something today. Just received a new part for the Donk Planet convertible, you hear me? Let's go on here. Let's go. Alright, here you go, fam. For those who are new to the channel, this is the Donk Planet 1971 convertible. You hear me? Like I was saying outside, we recently received a new part for the Donk Planet convertible. The part is not actually here right now. We're gonna head over to where the part at and show y'all that. But you know, I'm gonna tell y'all while I'm showing y'all this real quick. But yeah, for those who don't know, this is Donk Planet 1971 convertible, currently getting worked on. You know, I'm trying to show y'all every step of the way. You know what I'm saying? They're working on the skeleton under the quarters. And pretty soon the quarters are gonna go on this side and the other side. They're working on the quarters. Fam, I can't wait to drop the top. Show y'all the other side real quick. Can't wait to drop the top on that 71 vert in. Y'all see what's going on, man. Alright, so basically, this is the engine bay, right? And the part that we received today sort of has something to do with the engine bay. Now, I'm gonna try to show you this build every step of the way the best I can. But one thing I don't want to reveal right now, I already do have the engine for this car, but I'd rather just wait and reveal the engine once it's already in the car. But you know, with engine, the engine that I'm going with in this car, a lot of horsepower, you know. I mean, not a lot, because I'm not going to be racing. It's a street car, but you know, it's way over stock, way over what this, way many horsepower over what this car will come with stock. So y'all see the engine bay, man. So with more horsepower, you know, with more horsepower means the car's gonna move faster, you understand me? So basically the part that I received today is my new brakes. My new brakes just came in. We about to head over there. I can't wait, my brakes just came in. I can't wait to head over there and pick them up. But basically what I'm saying is with more horsepower, the car goes faster. So now you need more stopping power. So my new brakes just came in. You know, I got some big boy brakes for the Donk Planet Convertible. You know what I'm saying? You need more stopping power, that's all I got to say. So anybody out there getting in the Donk game, if you upgrading the engine, you know, and you put more horsepower, it's definitely best to upgrade your stopping power too. Bigger brakes or what have you, change the master cylinder, all that, you understand me? But yeah, man, let's get on the road. We heading over here to see where to see the brakes. Let's check it out. I'm excited, you understand me? Let's check it out, let's go. All right, fam. We just picked up the part. Y'all already know, man. If you adding more horsepower, you need more stopping power, you hear me? With that being said, man, we got the best, in my opinion, the best big brake kit in the world, you hear me? You see it behind me. Bell brakes, man. Bell brakes. You hear me? If you're adding more horsepower, you need more stopping power. You feel me? You gotta upgrade them brakes, get that big brake kit. You understand me? My opinion, the best big brake kit is Bell brakes. Can't go wrong with Bell brakes, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Big brakes. You hear me? Big brakes, man. Just came in. I'm excited. Shout out to Bell brakes. I can't wait to get these mounted on. I gotta get these shipped to I gotta send them to Sandman. Let Sandman mount them onto my frame. I can't wait, man. Hey, I can't wait. I know y'all can't wait either. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and pull over. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over and open the box. I gotta show y'all what I got, man. I gotta show y'all. Some of y'all maybe don't know what Bell brakes is. Some of y'all probably do know what Bell brakes. But I'm gonna open the box and show you guys what we putting on a Donk Planet Convertible. You hear me? All right, fam. We pulled over, man. Like I said, I'm trying to show y'all every step of the way. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. You hear me? Here we go. Once again, man. Shout out to Bell brakes. Y'all bear with me while I open this box, man. I only got one hand, and one hand hand holding the camera. You hear me? Take a look, see what we got. Damn. Shit gonna be harder than I thought with one hand, huh? Okay, he got staples and shit. Damn. Here we go. See what's in the box, you hear me? Wanna share this moment with my fam. Bam! You hear me? Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm saying bam. Honestly, I don't even know what this is. I just know to go for the big break kit. What's under this? That's like the bracket thing right there. What's under this? Yeah, there's a lot of pieces in this one box. They got the road up under there. 14-inch, baby. 14-inch, you hear me? 14-inch rotor. Is there something else under here? I don't think so. Big parts coming in, man. You hear me? See what's under here, man. Bam! You hear me? Need that stopping power, man. Big joints. Big joints, man. 6-piston joints, man. Big joints. You hear me? Need that stopping power.
Donk Planet.
What's going on? What's going on? Big stopping power, you hear me? You got that horsepower, you need that stopping power, man. See the rotor was in the other box. Big calipers right here, man. You hear me? See what's under here? Shout out to Bell Brakes, man. I think there's another caliper in that box, so we're not gonna go ahead and open that up. You understand me? The best big brake, the best big brake company in the world, in my opinion, man. If you're gonna upgrade the big brakes, Bear's the way to go, you hear me? Alright, fam. I just went ahead and opened all the boxes because with one hand holding the camera and one hand and a knife, it would have took forever. So y'all already see what was in the first one. Matter of fact, y'all see what was in the second one too. I think those were the back calipers. 6-piston calipers. Those are the 2 back calipers. This right here must be the front ones. You know what I mean? This for that monster stopping power, you hear me? Bam! This the front right here. Big 14-inch rotor, sir. You hear me? Bear Brakes, man. You hear me? The best big brake company in the world, in my opinion. That's my opinion, you understand me? The best big brake company in the world, man. Monster stopping power. You hear me? Let's see what's in this other box. It's like, this right here is like lines and fitteds and stuff like that. Put this right here, license plate thing. Ah, you hear that? You hear that? You hear what Bear sent me? The license plate thing, bear.com. Bigger is better. You hear me? You understand me? Shout out to Bell Brakes, man. Let's see what's in this box. Oh man, it's the front again. Monster stopping power, you hear me? Big brake joints, 6-piston joints, going on a Donk Planet convertible. You understand me? We ain't playing, man. They're around for it, man. Let's see what's in the little box, man. We saved the best for last. Master cylinder, I think. Got the fittings and stuff. Lines and stuff. You hear me? What's this? Okay. Black and gray. Bare master cylinder, man. You hear me? Man, y'all see what's going on, man. Shout out to Bell Brakes, man. They done got me my parts for my vert. I already got Bell Brakes on the photo, in case anybody, if y'all ain't noticed. I got Bell Brakes on the photo as well. Now I got getting Bell Brakes on the vert. You understand me? That's because Bell Brakes, in my opinion, is the best big brake company in the world, man. You understand me? That's just how I feel. That's my opinion. You understand me? When you need that monster stopping power, you gotta go Bell, man. You understand me? That's just my opinion, though, man. Bell Brakes, the bigger is better, you hear me? The best big brake company in the world, you hear me? For that monster stopping power, you hear me? But yeah, fam, I just wanted to share that with y'all, man. You hear me? I'm happy, man. I'm excited. I can't wait to get this vert together, man. Gotta take these, I gotta take all this, all the brake parts. I gotta take them to Sandman. Let Sandman mount them on. Do what he gotta do. Get my frame, get my convertible frame together. You understand me? I can't wait, you hear me? I can't wait, man. Like I say, man, I appreciate all y'all that's tuned in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all. Also, man, we all doing a Donk giveaway when we hit 200,000 subscribers. If you want to see the car that we giving away, it's a few videos back. Check it out. You understand me? But yeah, fam, that's all we got for y'all today, man. Until next time, you hear me? Keep it locked right here. Donk Planet live behind the scenes, you hear me?